students, welcome to today's GK session. Today we will start our new lesson number 9, Marvelous Indian City. What is the meaning of marvelous here? Causing great wonder. Let's read. India is a land which has inspired many. What is the meaning of inspired here? Create a feeling, especially a positive one in a person. It is a home to countless natural riches and artificial marvels that would astound one and all. What is the meaning of astound? Greatly surprise. Nicknames of some cities and their pictures are given below. Identify the cities and write their names with the help of the clue corner. Students, here we have nicknames of the city and also the picture. We have to identify the name of the city. Look here at picture number 1. It is the name. The nickname is City of Castles. Which city is known as City of Castles? Kolkata. Why? Kolkata is known as City of Castles because there are various comfortable hotels in Kolkata where one can stay when they are in the city for business or leisure purposes. Now look here at picture number 2. Here the nickname is City of Temples. Which city is known as City of Temples? Bhubaneswar. Why Bhubaneswar is known as City of Temples? Because of the 700 temples which once stood here. Okay, now look here at picture number 3. The nickname is Pink City. You all heard about the Pink City now. Which city is known as Pink City of India? Jaipur. Why Jaipur is known as Pink City of India? Due to the dominant color scheme of its building. Every building within the walled historic center is painted a pink color. Okay, now look here at picture number 4. Here the nickname is Deccan Queen. Which city is known as Deccan Queen of India? Pune. Pune is called the Deccan Queen of India or Queen of Deccan. Pune is the best city on the Deccan Plateau, which on Pune the sobriquet Queen of the Deccan or Deccan Queen of India. Okay, Pune. Now look here at picture number 5. The nickname is Golden City. You all heard about the Golden City, right? Which city is known as Golden City of India? Amritsar. Why Amritsar is known as Golden City of India? Because of the Golden Temple. The holiest shrine for the Sikhs is located in this city. Golden Temple is also known as Darbar Sahib. Now look at this picture number 6 here. The nickname is Still City of India. Which city is known as Still City of India? Jamshedpur. Why Jamshedpur is known as Still City of India? As the Jamshedpur was the first industrial city in India. Okay, now look here at picture number 7. Here the nickname is City of Nawabs. Which city is known as City of Nawabs? Lucknow. Lucknow. Why Lucknow is known as City of Nawab? Because of its culture and history. Okay. As it was ruled by Nawabs for many years, the culture of Lucknow still have royalty. Now look here at picture number 8. Here the nickname is City of Weavers. Which city is known as City of Weavers? Panipat. Why Panipat is known as City of Weavers? As it produces textiles and carpet. It is the biggest center for quality blankets and carpets in India. Okay, look here over this corner. What is written here? Mawson Ram. Okay, Mawson Ram in Meghalaya is the wettest place on earth and receives an insane amount. What is the meaning of insane? Insane means highest amount of rainfall per year. The waterfalls here are in full bloom almost year around. What is the meaning of in full bloom? Means full of water. Okay, almost year around means for whole year. The waterfall here are full of water in a whole year. Okay, now let us move to our next lesson. Lesson number 10. First Nobel Prize winner. What is the meaning of Nobel Prize? It is an international prizes awarded annually for outstanding work. Okay, let's read. On 27th November 1895, Alfred Nobel signed his last will and testament. What is the meaning of last will and testament? Means the legal instruction in which one who should receive property, possession, etc. after death, giving the largest share of his fortune to a series of prizes. Okay, he giving the largest share of his fortune to a series of prizes in physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature and peace. Nobel Prizes are widely regarded as the most prestigious award. What is the meaning of prestigious here? Means high status award given for intellectual. What is the meaning of intellectual here? Means creative achievement in the world. It is a set of 6 annual international awards bestowed. Bestowed means an honor or gift. Okay, in several categories. List of 5 Nobel Prize winners is given below. Here, first Nobel Prize for physics, okay, was given to Wilhelm Röntgen. Okay, first Nobel Prize for physics was given to Wilhelm Röntgen. Okay, for literature, first Nobel Prize was given to Sully Pradham. Okay, now for chemistry, first Nobel Prize was given to Jacobus Henricus van 't Hoff. Okay, now for physiology or medicine, first Nobel Prize was given to Emil Adolf von Behring. Okay, for peace, 2 persons were jointly awarded the Nobel Prize. Who are they? Henry Dunant and Frederick Passy. Okay, now look here at this corner. What is written over here? Abhijit Banerjee, Esther Duflo, and Michael Kramer were jointly awarded the Nobel Prize for Economics for their experimental approach to alleviating global poverty. What is the meaning of alleviating global poverty? It means alleviating global poverty means poverty reduction or poverty relief. Okay, students, watch video properly and thank you.